Okay, so if your Xbox One has no power, this video is for you. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end. The tools that you need is a drill or a set of screwdrivers and a flat screwdriver or a pry opener tool, and you will need an Xbox One power circuit board. This is a part 2 video. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure you go ahead and watch part 1. Let's go ahead and take the Xbox apart and let me show you how to fix it if it has no power. First thing you want to do is pry the vents as usual. Next, you want to remove the plastic plate under the sync button. Then you want to use your pry opener tool or a flat screwdriver and put it between the two housing right here and pry it open, just like that. Once it opens up a little bit, go ahead and flip your Xbox to the side and do the same thing on the back of the Xbox. Once you hear it cracking like that, just open it a little bit more and then lay the Xbox down and flip the housing to the side. And here you want to make sure you be super careful because you get the power ribbon cable. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see exactly what's going on. And then if you want a tweezer or your flat screwdriver and just remove the cable slowly and pry the plastic clip to the side. And remove the blue cable from the back and push it to the outside. Just like this. And then put the housing to the side. Next, you need to remove all of the black screws right here. Then remove the 2 screws to the Wi-Fi card reader. The iFixit tool is really good if you need one. I'll link in the description below. And remove those 2 screws right here. And then lift up the Wi-Fi card reader just like this. And then we got one more screw right here to remove. And there's one more screw by the Xbox fan. Once you reach over here, you don't need to take any more screws out. Just remove the Xbox from the back housing, just like this. And you can put it to the side. And you can plug this back so it doesn't move around. Then we're going to disconnect those 2 cables right here. And we're going to remove the power board to the Xbox. Remove the old board, just like this, and insert the new one. Keep watching, we're not done yet. And put the rest of the 3 screws back in there. Then at the end of the video, we'll test the Xbox and we'll see if it powers up. If this happens, it's fine. And just push it back or hold it with your hands. Connect your Wi-Fi cable and the speaker cable. Flip the Xbox back to the side. Now lift up the Xbox, get the bottom housing and insert your Xbox just like this. Remove the card reader and add the screw that was under the card reader. And add the rest of the black screws. Put the card reader back in there. And put the 2 screws back. And now we're putting the last screw. And let's put the rest of the black screws. We got 2 right here. Now we'll get the top housing. Let me show you what you have to do. You have to take this plate out of the housing again. Just remove the clips to the outside and pull back and put it to the side again. And then you want to connect the cable first. Again, you can use a tweezer or a flat screwdriver. You just remove the clip to the outside just like that. Then connect the cable first. You can also bend the blue cable a little bit to the back so it goes in. Insert the cable just like this. Push the blue clips to the back and push the front clips to the back also. Just like this. Everything is in there. Now, you want to lay the Xbox down, or before you lay it down, I'm going to show you what to do. Just put it in an angle like that. And push to the back. Now put the back housing. And since we're almost done, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be covering every single problem with any video game consoles. So now we're gonna put this back. So now all you have to do is push the front panel to the back. Just like this. And this is it. Now we're gonna get the power cable and see if the Xbox will power up. Now let's plug the power cable. And power the Xbox and see if it'll power up. Make sure you like and follow for more videos just like this one, and subscribe to this channel for more game console repair videos. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.